Ryobi Days back, but this time they took away the 6 amp battery. If you're buying the HP package, you do not get the 6 amp no more. But at $199, 3 of the HP batteries and 1 of these free tools, it's still a good deal. And if you're looking for a drill, that hammer drill, that's a good one. I could show you a clip of it right now going through concrete. Last time they did not have this bench. Does look like a good bench, and it looks like it turns into a 2-wheel, so you can haul things around. Now this nail gun, this is the best deal to get if you buy the HP package. So you were able to get 6 amp last year. You can see that in my video. You only get 2 of these now and the 2 amp. But it's still a good deal. You can fit all these sizes in it. Even these small ones. This vacuum is also a good deal because it retails at $199. So buying the battery package and getting this item free, it's a good deal. Last time on this saw, you got a 7-inch. You can see that on my video on my channel from last time. You were able to get a 7-inch saw. This time it's a 6. There's the bench again, $199. That is not part of the battery package deal. It's just auto sales they got in Ryobi Days. Now that fan, that's part of the $99 deal. If you buy this package at $99, you can get any of these tools for free. It's not a bad deal. It'll be at $25 a battery and $50 for the tool. The fan, that'll be the one to get. So that's the lineup for the $99 package. These are some other sales they got going on.